Hello everyone, learn Arabic with Heidi. Check other videos. Possessive adjectives for masculine objects. Book, kitab, kitab. Kitab is masculine because it doesn't end with an E. My book, kitabi, kitabi. We just add I at the end, kitabi. Your book, masculine, kitabak, kitabak. Your book, feminine, kitabik, kitabik. His book, kitabo, kitabo. Her book, kitabha, kitabha. Our book, kitabna, kitabna. Your book, and your is plural, kitabku, kitabku. Their book, kitabhum, kitabhum. Beit is home. Beiti, my home. Your masculine pen, alamak. Alam is pen, alamak, your pen. Your feminine pen, alamik, alamik. His phone, telefono, telefono. Her dress, fustanha, fustanha. Fustan is dress, fustanha. Our house, bitna, bitna. Your plural TV, television ku, television ku. Their office, maktab hum, maktab hum. Maktab is office. Some sentences. My house is big. Beiti kibir, beiti kibir. Her dress is beautiful. Fustanha jamil, fustanha jamil. My book is new. كتابي جديد, كتابي جديد.